Hello guys, okay, today I'm gonna show you all secret locations of the all rewards, most rewards in BSS Simulator. Okay, these are my friends. Okay, so I'm gonna tell them where. Okay, so I need to tell them where. Okay, let's begin. Jump in the video. Okay, so for the first location, you might want to come here. And then this rock here, you come here. And then you see here, jump. There's a ticket. Okay, and then there will be a royal jelly here. Okay, so this place is covered. Time to head to the other reward place, which you may. Okay, trying to get out of this. Okay, this is the second reward place, Enfield, and you must have 20 bees in order to go in. So yeah. Okay, so here the secret reward should be here. Go behind the signboard. Okay, this is taking quite long. Okay, just keep going behind until here. You get one free end pass here. Okay, so now that's done. Oh, here you get Gummy Bee, but you need 2,500 tickets. So, and there's a secret location if you hit this, but I have not enough, and see only go hot shots can your Gummy Bee. You can actually go in. Okay, now for the third place, jelly. It's gonna be royal jelly. Okay, the royal jelly is here. This royal jelly, and inside is a maze. And the maze. Oof, what's that sound? You get one bean here and a star jelly, which you need to go to the 35B zone, which I apparently do not have enough. And the other side will be one ticket. Okay, so now let's head out of the maze. Okay, now I'm gonna tell my friends to go to head to the pineapple field. So he's gonna come with me. There's somewhere there. Oh, is he there? Okay, he's right. Oh my, he has Demon Bee. Quite good. Okay, so second is here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead to the gifted place. You need blue or yellow cannon. So I'm to go all the way there. Okay, down this thing. Okay, so you can collect every royal jelly. One gifted bee for one royal jelly. So mine, and you will get his. Okay, and my friend apparently knows where's it, and it's End Pass. Okay, time to go. Go. Go back. Over there. Don't know, I never seen that before. Never tried to get that. Okay. There's the other location. Here, royal jelly here. Okay, another royal jelly which we'll be going to is this place. Blue here. Oh, and red also has a royal jelly. Okay, let me go to the royal jelly place where there's the red base. Wait, where's the red place? I forgot. Oof, the red place is there. This only happens if you get to unlock 4 different types of red beads. Okay, here's a ticket, secret reward, and up. For here, the ace badge, you can get star jelly there. Just leap on it. Just try your luck. Leap. Okay, I'm on it. See, star jelly. And behind the ace draw, you also get star jelly, which I can't unlock yet because I don't have ace yet. I haven't earned the ace badge. Okay, so for today's video, the last location I'm gonna show you this video is definitely here. Okay. Ooh. Okay, now see that. Okay, never collected that. That should be a ticket from the outline of it. Okay, so there will be a royal jelly. Hey, where's the royal jelly? Oh, here, this royal jelly here. Okay, so let me try to collect that first. Nope. Okay, I can't. Oh, newbie. So thank you guys for watching this video and for special update for my YouTube channel. Okay, so if I get 100, I will spend 2 million, anyhow spend 2 million. I'll just randomly spend on anything. Promise you, I'll show you guys. But if you want me to spend everything that I grinded, all my hard work, 200 subscribers for me. So thank you, and please subscribe. Thank you.